The newest iPad mini developed by Apple will have approximately 50,000 times more computing power than the 1986 Challenger space shuttle. Welcome to a key concept in our long-term investment philosophy: exponentiality. Let me elaborate. We are accustomed to counting being linear, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But when we count exponentially, we count differently: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc. The difference is astounding, and hence, exponential growth allows us to explain the incredible growth in computing power from the space shuttle to an iPad in just 35 years. If we study the subject in another way, we can change the word exponential and relate it to a story of compound growth. We have all heard the story of the doubling penny. Which would you prefer to receive? $1 million today, or a penny doubled every day for the next 30 days? The correct answer is the doubling penny. You would end up with over 5 million in 30 days. This is because of exponential growth, or in money terminology, what we call compound growth. After 9 days, our doubling penny is only worth $2.56. After 18 days, about $1,300. At day 27, it's worth over $600,000. But at 30 days, only 3 days later, the penny is now worth over $5 million. Of course, in practice, we are not going to convert a penny into millions. But our example shows in practical terms how we get the doubling of computing power every 24 months. As Rick Edelman highlights in his work, The Truth About Your Future, the real power of the doubling penny example is when we transform it into another form of action driving today's economy: information. Unlike commerce, information feeds on itself. Let's look at both. When I first walk into a variety store in search of purchasing an orange, the store owns that orange. But once I pay at the register, I now own the orange. Only one person owns that orange at a particular time. However, information does not work this way. If I know, for example, that 2 plus 2 is 4, and then I tell you, we both know this fact. If both of us tell one person, now 4 people know. And if each of them shares this knowledge with one person, 8 people know. Soon it is 16 people, then 32 people, then 64, then 128. Thus, unlike commerce, knowledge grows exponentially, and the impact is profound. Why is this so important? Because today, knowledge is spreading faster than ever and changing the fabric of our economy. We believe it will lead to innovations and discoveries that will amaze us in the years ahead, and that these changes will have meaningful impact on employment, investing, retirement, and longevity. Our key lesson about exponentiality is we are only at the beginning. Remember our penny? It is not enough to know that our penny grew to 5 million in 30 days. We need to understand the nature of that growth. At day 18, the penny's growth was imperceptible. But at about day 23, that growth took off like a rocket. This is an algebraic idiom called the knee of the curve. In simple terms, it's when the line of growth heads vertical fast. You don't even realize it. You watch that penny for weeks and barely anything happens. You assumed the 4th week would be the same, but it's not. The penny took off in value in those last few days. Exponentiality explains why the future will arrive fast. We just don't realize it yet. Likewise, technologically speaking, our entire world is at the knee of the curve. And we believe exciting things are about to happen. Our clients are living in transformative times, and we will need to plan in a holistic fashion. Exponential technologies will have a significant impact on our lives, and therefore, our planning discussions in the years ahead. Let us continue our work of educating ourselves on these concepts and ideas as we embrace the future.